everyone, okay, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own ID photo at home. It's very simple and I'll show you in this video. So before we start, make sure to give a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. So let's go. So the first thing that you need to do is to set up your camera on a tripod, and also you need to make sure that you have a plain background so that it will be more easier for you to edit your photo later on. Take as many photos as you like so that you will have a lot of options to choose between which one is better. Now load your image in GIMP open source software, and in here we are going to crop our photo so that we can remove the background, and we are going to replace the background with our backdrop preference. So in my case I will use a blue backdrop. So continue watching this video and you will see how it will look like. Okay, now I already printed it out in this glossy photo paper in the size of the ID photo format. So basically here it is. I'll cut it down and yeah, it is done. Nice. So this is the ID photo that has been cut out into many pieces, and you can see here it looks pretty cool, and yeah, it is very nice. So if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to give a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.